slowly, very slowly. The problem most parents have are, as a species, we tend to be impatient, and you need to scent swap cats from a legacy cat that you have in your home to a new cat you're bringing into your home. You have to, of course, keep them out of sight line and audible distance so that they perhaps don't hear one another as well. And the process can take months and not just days or weeks. So the key to introducing cats, whether it's a kitten to an older cat or any two new cats, is to go very, very slowly. So I would start, for example, one in one room and the other in the other room or the other side of the house. When you have to also make sure that each area has adequate litter boxes and enrichment toys, of course, food and water and things of that nature. And eventually, over the course of weeks, anointing scents and doing scent swapping, eventually cracking the door a very small amount to allow them a little bit closer interaction. Perhaps using baby gates is a good idea as well. You could alter the baby gates to put a blanket over it to block the sight line. Leave that up for a few weeks, see how they do like that, and continue to slowly, gradually allow them to get comfortable with one another's scent and sounds and movement. Now, it doesn't mean that the cats will love one another. There are many cases where cats will not tolerate another cat in their space or home. And if that's the case, the responsible thing to do would be to find the newer cat another home.